Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a link to resume in Canva. Now say for example this is the resume that we're working with today, and I'm going to go ahead and put the link here. What we're going to do is head over to the link that we want to copy. Say for example in this case it's going to be a LinkedIn. I'm just going to copy the LinkedIn profile here of Bill Gates, head over to the resume that I'm working. I'm going to click this one. You make sure that it's not highlighted, just click it and then right click on it and you have the link option. You can also use the shortcut Control K or Command K and then click that, paste the link here, click done once again, and you can see that if I hover over here, you have the LinkedIn. And then if you are going to export this as a PDF, you should be able to have access to this link as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, so I have downloaded that one. I'm gonna click this one, and you can see that if I were to click this, it's gonna redirect me to that particular LinkedIn. Unfortunately for this though, I don't have LinkedIn login. All right, but if you hover over here, you should be able to see at the bottom left that there is the LinkedIn link. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.